In this film, we have experimented with
animation.
This technique can also be called stop motion. This is our most technical activity because it requires things that you don't tend to have lying around. So apart from art materials, you will need a small tripod, a phone tripod mount to hold your phone, and a special app on your phone.
This is Stop Motion Studio. It is available on Android, iPhones and Windows phones.
Other apps are available. They all do the same thing. They take lots of photographs that can then be all mushed together to make one film. There are lots of ways to film animations. Here are two examples.
1. Film the animation on a flat table. The backgrounds are flat and the characters lie on top. With this technique, you don't have to overcome gravity. Or 2.
Model animation.
Hey, Daddy, maybe at the Book of Dust one of them falls back down.
Good idea. The backgrounds are more model-like and all the characters have to stand up too. In this example, the fish are held up with blobs of blue tack.
Blue tack is a key animation ingredient. It helps in so many ways. Sticking backgrounds in place, joining characters together and still making them movable.
The first thing to do is make all the props, the backgrounds, the characters, and anything else you might need.
Then, you are ready to start animating. Position the tripod and camera and start filming. Try to be very gentle when you press the button so the phone doesn't shake too much.
Stop Motion Studio has a function that shows you a ghost image of the previous frames. This helps you move the characters. When you've made your film, you can change its speed and add the music, dialogue and sound effects with your voice.
Let's do this. Oh, I fell. Come on, you can make it. Yes.
And then you can share the film to WhatsApp or YouTube, etc.
If you're inspired to make any of these things, we really would like to see them. Please share your creations on social media and tag us at 7Unlocked and use the hashtag UnlockingFishFun. Or you can contact us via our website.